Today, I will be showing how to fix your internet connection in your Windows-based computer. Now, as we all know, there are many different issues that could cause the loss of internet connection. But in this video, I'm going to go through 3 different methods that I would suggest trying to fix your internet connection. Now, this is done on our Windows 10 computer, so the steps might be a little bit different if you're using Windows 7 or Windows 8, but the gist is the same. The first thing that I would recommend doing is to check to see if your current network adapter might be disabled by accident. So I'm going to head over to our Start button. I'm going to right-click on it, and then I'm going to left-click on Network Connections. Now, I should mention that I purposely disabled our network device for the sake of this video, so I could show you how to enable it. So I would right-click on our device, and then left-click on Enable. And now we see we have internet connection again down here. Now there are 2 other methods I'm going to show of how to repair your internet connection. So we're going to close that of that, and then I'm going to type into our search bar. I'm going to search Control Panel. So Windows 7, it should just be the one default control panel. If you're on Windows 10, make sure you select the desktop app control panel. So let's click on that, left click on Network and Internet. Now left click on Internet Options. Now that we are under Internet Properties along the tabs, along the top left click on the Connections tab. And then go down to LAN Settings, also Local Area Network Settings. You want to call it by its full name. So now, deselect under Proxy Server, unselect that. If it's already selected, click OK, and click OK again. That was method number 2, and then you would restart your computer, and then hopefully you'd have internet once again. And now, a 3rd method I'm going to show. We will be using the command prompt. Now, we need to use an elevated command prompt to launch his commands. There are different ways to launch an elevated, or what is commonly known as a command prompt, that has administrative rights. But I'm just gonna right-click on our taskbar along the bottom of the screen, and then I'm going to left-click on Task Manager. I'm going to click on this little drop-down for more details, and then at the top, I'm gonna left-click on File and then Run New Task. And now I'm gonna type in CMD, and then right underneath that, I'm gonna left-click on the Create this task with administrative privileges. Now I'm gonna click OK. Now I have a couple commands I'm going to type into our command prompt, which suits the name of it. I will post this in the link of this video. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this in. If you would rather just write it in by hand, you're more than willing to just pause the video or look in the description to see exactly what we are typing in here. I'm gonna click on Enter. So we just reset the winsock catalog, and says we must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. And now I'm going to type in the 2nd line of code here. So now, like I said, we're gonna have to restart the computer, run both of those commands first, restart the computer, and hopefully you all have internet access now. I know these were 3 different methods. Hopefully one of them will work for you. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.